Here I have ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So first you should select language. I'll just stay with English, then tap Start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but you can do this later and just skip this step now. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also do this later and skip this step. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have these Google services, which you might turn off if you feel like it. So yeah, that's how you can turn them off. Tap accept. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also do this later in settings and just skip this step for now. Then you have these wireless updates. Okay, so you have to read and accept privacy policy consent form, and device is all ready to go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.